Hi everyone, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma from Kara Skin Clinic, and today we are going to talk about something every Delhiite can relate to: pollution and its impact on your skin. We all know how bad the air quality gets, especially during the winter months. And believe me, your skin feels it before you even realize it: dullness, breakout, rough texture, dryness, and pigmentation. Before we dive in, let me tell you what we are covering today. We're going to talk about how pollution actually damages your skin, how to recognize early signs of damage, and most importantly, what can you do daily to protect and repair your skin. So stay till the end because I'll also be sharing my dermatologist approved tips that actually work in Delhi weather. How pollution affects your skin. So let's understand what are the type of pollutants which actually damage your skin. Particulate matter, the particle size varying from 2.5 to 10. Now these particles actually can enter your skin and can cause deep damage. Nitrogen oxide, the gases which are emitting from the cars can actually lead to a lot of air pollution that not only create a havoc on your lung but also damage your skin. Ozone, which can deplete the natural antioxidant present in your skin. Polycyclic hydrocarbon. Now, these gases can actually cause damage to the skin on the surface level. And heavy metals like lead, arsenic. Now, these chemicals can actually cause a lot of damage, can actually enter the skin and create havoc on your skin. Premature aging, hyperpigmentation, acne, inflammation, and skin allergies. You can see tiny papules on your skin, the early signs of pollution, which can create certain dull cracky patch on the face, which can appear really depressing to you by seeing the signs of aging. So let's understand what can we do about it. Pollution is full of microscopic particles like dust, smoke, toxin that settle on your skin and go deep into the pores. This can actually break your collagen, cause inflammation, weaken your natural skin barrier. It's all about the skin barrier. So we have to look about how to repair the skin barrier as well. If you have been feeling like the glow is missing, even after using a good skincare routine, the pollution can be the reason. Increased oxidative stress can lead to faster aging, pigmentation, and fine lines and sudden appearance of wrinkles. Signs your skin is getting affected by pollution. So how do you actually know that your skin is damaged by pollution? Touch your skin, feel if there is any crackiness or any dry flakiness on your skin. If your complexion has suddenly become dull, if you feel that there is a rough patch on your skin which is looking very irritating and which you never had before, if your skin feel dry, irritated, tiny papules can be seen, of course pollution is the reason. Cleansing is the most important step. Now, if you are in a city like Delhi, always go for double cleansing, which means the first cleansing will be to remove the dust and pollutant, like you will be using something like micellar water, and second layer of cleansing will be by foaming face washes. Now, it also depends what type of underlying skin condition you have. If you have acne, if you have pigmentation, of course, that type of face wash can be added by your dermatologist. Otherwise, the cleansing has to be double step. Second, how to repair your barrier. Now, pollution, as we understood, can weaken your skin at the surface, can actually also cause damage at the deeper level. So using a moisturizer rich in ceramide, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid can actually cause deep hydration to the skin and help in repairing the barrier. And number three, and most non-negotiable, is your sunscreen. I always keep talking about using sunscreen which is broad SPF, using 50 SPF minimum in Delhi. Using it always, whether it is rainy, cloudy, or whatever day, you have to use sunscreen, especially in the pollution related cities. Now, what are the professional treatments can actually help your skin? So if your skin is feeling dull, tired, go for pollution detox facial, HydraFacial, antioxidant peels, which can be excellent to deep cleanse your skin and cause that extra glow which you are missing. For those who are having stubborn pigmentation, we have laser toning, oxygen facial, and we also offer several type of superficial peels which can help you get rid of that pigmentation. Nothing can replace the diet. Go for increased hydration, go for at least 4 to 5 liters of water daily, and keep drinking and adding antioxidant in your food items. Remember, you can't control the air around you, but you can control how your skin responds to it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more dermatologist approved skincare advice. And tell me in the comments, what's your go-to skincare step during pollution season? I would love to read your thoughts. Thank you. Stay safe and stay glowing.